Welcome to the Rani Chennamma University, Belgavi, BSc 4 SEM Physics, Interference, Session 10. In Session 10, we are going to solve some more problems on interference. The learning objective of this session is to solve problems on Newton's ring experiment and also the experiment of Michelson's interferometer. We need some prerequisites as a theory of the Newton's rings experiment and also the theory of Michelson interferometer. So let us see the formulae used for Newton's rings experiment. In case of reflected light, the Newton's rings by the reflected light, the diameter of mth bright ring is equal to dm is equal to square root of 2m minus 1 into 2r lambda, and the diameter of mth dark ring is dm equal to square root of 4mr lambda. And similarly for a transmitted light, the expressions are quite reverse to that of the reflected light. So here the diameter of the mth bright ring, that is dm, is equal to square root of 4m r lambda, and the diameter of mth dark ring is dm is equal to square root of 2m minus 1 2r lambda. And let us see the radius of curvature of the plano-convex lens and the wavelength of a light in case of Newton's rings experiment is as a wavelength lambda is equal to dm square minus dn square divided by 4r into m minus n, and also the radius of curvature r is equal to, and so as it is dm square minus dn square divided by 4 lambda into m minus n. And let us see the formulae used in case of Michelson interferometer. The path difference equal to 2d cos theta plus lambda by 2. For constructive interference, it is 2d cos theta plus lambda by 2, and this is equal to n lambda. And after simplification, it is 2d cos theta is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. And for a destructive interference, the path difference equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. So after simplification, it is 2d cos theta is equal to n lambda. And now the wavelength of the monochromatic light in case of Michelson interferometer is lambda is equal to 2d by n. So with the equation 2d equal to n lambda, so the lambda is equal to 2 into d divided by n. N is the number of fringes that is passes, and here d is the distance of it is moved. Now let us see examples. So in example 1, in the Newton's ring experiment, the diameters of the third and the eighth ring are found to be 0.16 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter and 0.34 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Calculate the wavelength of the light used if the radius of curvature is 1 meter. So the solution is here, and the given things are d8 is equal to 0.34 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and d3 is equal to 0.16 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So and r is equal to 1 meter. So if m minus n, that is 8 minus 3 equal to 5, then what is lambda? So as the expression of this lambda is equal to dm square minus dn square divided by 4r m minus n, and after substituting these values dm and dn and 4r, we get the answer of this wavelength is 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Next, the diameter of a 10th dark ring in a Newton's rings system viewed normally by the reflected light of wavelength 5893 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter is 4 mm. Calculate the thickness of the air film at the 10th ring radius of curvature of the lens surface. So this is the solution, and here the given things are so lambda is equal to 5893 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, and n is equal to 10, dn equal to 4 centimeter. So and r is equal to how much and thickness equal to how much. So as it is incident normally, the cos r equal to 1. So therefore it is 2 mu t equal to n lambda. Then the thickness of the air film is t is equal to n lambda divided by 2 mu. So as mu is equal to 1, and this n lambda divided by 2 is the thickness, and after substituting this, that is 10 into 5893 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 2, and we get the answer of the thickness is 2.9465 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. And the wavelength, for a dark ring, the diameter, that is square of the diameter, equal to 4r n lambda. So therefore r equal to d square by 4 lambda into n. After substituting the values of d, lambda and n, we get the value of, that is r, is equal to 67.88 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now let us see the problem. In the Newton's ring experiment, the diameter of 15th ring was found to be 0.59 centimeter and that of 5th ring was 0.336 centimeter. If the radius of plano-convex lens is 100 centimeter, calculate the wavelength of the light used. So here the diameter of the 15th ring and also 5th ring is given, and also the radius of the plano-convex lens is given. We can easily find the wavelength lambda. The answer is 5880 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now, next problem. A Newton's ring are observed in a reflected light of lambda equal to 5.9 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. The diameter of a 12th ring is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Find the radius of curvature of the lens and the thickness of the ear film. So here, substituting these values, we get the radius of curvature and the thickness as 0.828 into 8828 meter, and the thickness is 35.4 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Let us see the example on the Michelson interferometer. In Michelson's interferometer experiment, 600 fringes cross the field of view, and when one of the mirror is moved through a distance of 0.1768 millimeter, calculate the wavelength of the light used. This is the solution. So here the value of D is given, that is a 0.1768 millimeter. That is 0.1768 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, and n is equal to 600. So what is the value of lambda? We know that n lambda is equal to 2d. So here lambda is equal to 2d by n. So here 2 into d is 0.1768 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 600. We get the wavelength lambda as 5893 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. And let us see the another example. The movable mirror of a Michelson's interferometer is moved through a distance of 0.05206 millimeter. If the wavelength of the light used is 5206 into 10 raised to minus 8 meter, and find the number of fringes that crossed the field of view. And the solution is here the given things is D is equal to 0.05260 millimeter, and this lambda is equal to 5208 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So convert it in terms of meter, and then what is the value of n, that is the number of fringes. So as n lambda is equal to 2t, n is equal to 2d divided by lambda, and after substituting these values, we get the value of the number of fringes is 200. Let us see the problem. One of the mirror in the Michelson interferometer is moved through a distance 0.00725 to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. If the wavelength of the light used is 5800 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, find the number of fringes that crossed the center of field of view. So here knowing the value of the micrometer, that is the distance traveled, and the wavelength, then we can easily find the number of fringes, and the answer is 250. Next, for a two consecutive maximum distinctiveness were found to be 0.6443 mm, and these two are there differences and 0.9388 mm in the Michelson's interferometer. Find the differences between the two wavelengths, and if the mean wavelength is this much. So then we can easily take the help of this hand and find the difference of their lambda, and the answer is 5.896 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So here we have seen the problems on the Newton's rings experiment and also the Michelson's interferometer experiment. So these are the few references, and also we can solve you can solve more problems from these references. Thank you.